The amazing thing about Canva is whether you are a stay-at-home mom, whether you are a student, or whether you are a pastor, regardless of your niche, Canva will work for you. And it wants to work with you too. But here's the thing. You got to sign into the app so that it can track your preferences, what you do, what you like to use, and based on these activities of yours, it will recommend trends, designs, logos for your next content. So I want you to try that and begin to unlock those secrets in the application. Next thing, I want you to do this the next time you open your Canva app. And this is what you're gonna do. I'm assuming that you have already signed into the app and you are taking advantage of the exceptionally useful qualities, pictures, videos, templates. There is this really powerful tool called Duotone, and I don't know if anybody else has used it, but I literally just discovered it this morning. Duotone allows you to take an existing image, whether it's from the graphics library or one you copied and paste from your own local library, and if you right click on the image and go to Duotone, it allows you to literally change the color of that image right in the app. And no, this is not a pro feature, it's currently free. I literally used this on someone's task and I found the right fit for what they asked me to do, and it's all done in the app. I was thinking of going to Photoshop, but I said maybe Canva has this, and sure enough they did. So the next time you want to change the color of something, try the Duotone feature. It may just work. Some other things you might want to consider too on your next Canva masterpiece is to look through the AI features. There are a lot. Some of them you may not find useful for your niche, but just knowing about them may put you at an advantage the next time somebody asks you to create something for them. So look through the library and see what resonates with you and add it to your app collection. And of course, if you want to extend those capabilities, try the Pro feature on Canva.